Good afternoon. Happy Tuesday. The other day I received an interesting email. I'm always trying to stay up to date with for Realtor news, and this was an interesting um, article. There was a question about if you should cosign for a boyfriend who has lousy credit, and it's a touchy it's a touchy subject, right? Because we want to do the best for our significant other, family members, children, etc. But I'm just going to read it out to you. This was a question from Fort Lauderdale, and it says, "Question: My long-term boyfriend has lousy credit but makes a good living and wants to buy a house and stop renting. I make less money but have much better credit. We are being told that I will need to co-sign the loan for it to be approved. I trust him, but should I be concerned?" And the answer from this attorney, he says, "In my law practice, I have seen the situation you describe go wrong so many times." And he goes on saying that no one consults with a lawyer to tell them that everything worked out okay, and that she's right to be concerned. So fortunately, you can do some things, specific things, to protect yourself in a situation. The best protection is having an ownership interest in anything you consign a loan to buy. Make sure your name is put on the deed as a co-owner of the new home. By owning part of the property, you have some control over it, and if things go wrong in your relationship, which hopefully it won't, you can force its sale to pay off the mortgage. When you own part of the home, it comes with the typical responsibilities of ownership. Taxes will need to be paid, landscaping performed, and repairs made. So whenever someone owns property with someone other than a spouse, they should have a written co-ownership agreement drawn up. This agreement, often called cohabitation agreement, deals with a wide range of details, including designating who is responsible for maintenance, what happens if one of the co-owners want to sell while the other does not, what happens if someone passes away, and how the equity is split when the property is sold. So, the importance of drafting this agreement is twofold. It makes you think through the ramifications of owning a home together and sets out solutions for everyday problems before the stress of dealing with those problems sets in. This was it was copyrighted by South Florida Sun Sentinel Gary M. Singer. So, you know, you can do it. Just make sure that you take the precautions necessary to protect yourself. So, if you have any questions, if I can be of any assistance, don't forget to reach out. This is Dagmara Rodriguez with Lifestyle International Realty, and my number, I'll put it somewhere, but it's 305 607 4456. Thank you, and have a blessed rest of your day.